Hello xhorse fans, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to read MQB dashboard data using Key2+. First thing first, remove the dashboard from the car, whether you're doing MQB Oculus or add key. Now we'll need to read the chip data on the PCB board. Pull off the needles using a tweezer. Unplug the clip and take out the PCB board. Check the MCU carefully. Before using this feature, make sure the AMO database on your Key2+ has been upgraded to the latest version. On the main screen of Key2+, enter AMO programming. Select Volkswagen. Select by type, MQB instrument AMO system, and select the first option. Press Start Programming. Before we read the data, please read the disclaimer on the screen carefully. Make sure you have fully understand and agree with the contents and responsibilities, and then press OK to continue. Check the wiring diagrams carefully, and locate the one that is same to the dashboard MCU. Follow the on-screen instructions and finish the operation. Then I'll show you how to lift the pin, and we'll have upcoming videos to go over lifting pin or cutting wire in detail. Just stay tuned. Apply some scaling powder onto the pin we'll lift later. Prepare a hot air gun, turn the temperature to 355 degrees Celsius, and adjust to the lowest speed. Direct the gun to the pin, and insert the operating knife under the pin, and lift it slightly up when the pin is heated properly. Note: do not lift up too much, just make sure the pin disconnects from PCB, otherwise it may lead to pin breaking. When the pin disconnects from the board, solder a wire or enameled wire to the pin so we can connect the MCU cable later. Hold the wire in place with tape and do not move it. Okay, now we have finished the pin lifting. Then we'll follow the wiring diagram and solder the MCU cable. Connect Key2+ with the module using a DB15 cable. Press Read. The whole process is gonna take 3 to 5 minutes. Reading successfully, and now we save the data. The data can be used for generating dealer key or key learning. Then we'll show you how to do MQB add key. Open the AMO data file we just saved. Prepare normal dealer key. Select Add Key. Place the original working key to the device and press OK. Next, just follow the general steps to add key. Okay, that's it for today. See you next time.